We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
If your microwave oven has a convection feature, you can cook by convection or by combination microwave convection cooking for even faster cooking. Anything that is cooked in an air fryer can also be cooked in a convection oven, including oven-fried, baked, roasted and broiled food, some models.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.